here.
Talk.
We're here for you.
There you go. We're family.
Good,
We're pound. Is that better?
His hands are cold.
Your hands are full, yeah. You got it.
I just feel like laughing. I don't know why.
Let it out now. I don't want you to laugh when I do it. Get it all out now.
This is hard.
This isn't hard. We're family.
man.
We're
Don't
family.
worry about it.
Just get started and it will just
No
flow.
good.
All this practice.
What's
is
your
put
name,
into
sir?
it.
Morning. My name is Senior Airman Negron, called Ramon Negron. I'm assigned to the 62nd LRS/LGRF, aka Field Flight or PL, however you may know it. Today I'm going to inform you of the refueling equipment used in the Air Force. You'll see the types of refuelers used here in McCord, their advantages and their disadvantages. There are two main refueling vehicles used in the Air Force. We have the R-12 on the top and the R-11 on the bottom. Here in McCord, we use the R-12 mostly, but that's just because of the type of aircraft we have and the fact that we have a hydrant system in place. The R-12, it pumps a lot faster. It pumps anywhere from 750 gallons per minute to 1,000. With the R-12, you could issue to more than one aircraft, not at the same time, just one right after the other. Since it's powered by a hydrant system, and in the hydrant system, we have 4 tanks. Each tank holds about 350,000 gallons, so you could issue all that amount to aircraft if needed be. The problem with this, the only really disadvantage with this is that you cannot issue to small aircraft, and if you don't have a hydrant system, you can't use it. All it is a filter separated hoses. It has 2 hoses in the back and 2 hoses on the top in case you have like a 747 which is under the wing. You might think this being that it pumps faster and it issues more fuel is better, but sometimes better or more is not what you need. That's where the R11 comes into play. The R11 has a tank of its own and a pump, and it has a pump. It's a 6,000 gallon tank, and it only pumps at 600 gallons per minute, so that's a little slower than the rest. But the good thing about it is that it has a 3-inch hose, so you can connect to C-17s and everything else. But also it has a 1.5-inch hose, so you could issue to small planes or K-loaders.
It's true.
And mostly in deployed locations where there's no hydrant system, that's where you would use the R11. So you've seen both of the types of refueling vehicles that we have here in McCord. You've seen their advantages, disadvantages, and hopefully you have more knowledge of what I do. And if you see a refueling vehicle out there, you may know which one it is, and you might know why you use that one instead of the other one. And at this time, if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. Please, I need at least 2 questions. Go ahead, sir.
Which one do you use more here?
We mostly use the R12, but that's just because we have C-17s which take more fuel, and we have a Type 3 hydrant system in place.
So it can be used like on a jet or anything?
Yes, you do it on anything. If it has a 3-inch hose hook up, you can use it. Yes, ma'am.
Is
The tanks you're talking about, are those the one underground?
No, actually, they could be on the ground, but here in McCord, they're above ground.
Oh,
If they're, I believe they're right behind where Joker Rack is at, on the other side. You see 4 tanks out there. That's where they're at. Any other questions? Sir, go ahead.
How many gallons that thing hold?
The R11?
Okay, yes.
6,000 gallons.
6,000.
Yeah, you can get it at 5,800. I've gotten out 5,850, and then you hear the pump going out. Go ahead, sir.
What truck do you prefer?
I prefer the R12, the one on the top. It just pumps faster and it's better. Thank you.